An untold story of the new authentic weight loss solution and the shocking role of some critical low-carb foods. Did you know? Zepbound, the most effective new weight loss medication so far, approved by the FDA last month, in November 2023, has shown exceptional results in the clinical trials, outperforming all its competitors out there in the weight loss industry. It is the first and only approved treatment activating two incretin hormone receptors, GIP and GLP-1, to strongly tackle the underlying cause of excess weight gain, with a specific focus on burning off the stubborn belly fat.
Although this is a game changer for all of us, adults who are seeking a long-term, authentic health solution. But there's a big catch here. And most of us miss out on this, resulting in all our efforts turn totally useless in this regard.
Well, most of us don't realize this. The working and effectiveness of these drugs is not that simple as it sounds. One thing we all need to understand: Zepbound isn't a magic pill. Rather, it's part of a bigger picture in the weight loss game. According to the domain experts on weight loss drugs like Zepbound, Wegovy and Ozempic, you can't achieve the optimal results from the prescribed drug unless you pair it with a bunch of healthy foods in your diet regime. Specifically, as suggested by the renowned nutritional health experts, some low-carb diet foods highly enhance Zepbound's effectiveness towards weight loss and overall health by complementing its mechanism of action many folds.
So, for your guidance and successful weight loss transformation, we have compiled a crisp, concise, and comprehensive list of the science-backed top 10 low-carb foods that literally set your fat loss journey on fire when paired with an authentic weight loss drug like Zepbound, or even Wegovy and Mounjaro as well.
This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and weight loss transformation. Although we have kept the four most premium foods at the end of the list, yet number 8 and 5 will certainly surprise you to the core. Here we go. Number 10. Almonds, the nutritious snack option. Almonds are an excellent snack for those looking to lose weight. They are low in carbohydrates but high in healthy fats and protein, which vastly help in controlling your hunger. Consuming almonds can be a great way to manage your calorie intake while still getting the essential nutrients. They are also rich in vitamin E and magnesium, contributing to your overall health and wellness. Almonds can be enjoyed raw or roasted, making them a convenient and healthy snack option for weight loss, along with your prescribed Zepbound consumption. Can you guess which food is next on the list? Well, here it is. Number 9. Spinach, the low-calorie nutrient powerhouse. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's incredibly low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its high fiber content makes it excellent for weight loss, as it helps in creating a feeling of fullness and curbs overeating. Spinach is also rich in iron and vitamin K, essential for your overall health. Including spinach in your diet with the consumption of Zepbound or Wegovy can highly aid in your weight management while ensuring you get a host of the essential nutrients. A popular way to enjoy spinach is in salads or smoothies, making it a versatile addition to any meal in your weight loss journey. Number 8. Greek yogurt, the protein-packed dairy. Greek yogurt stands out in the dairy aisle for its high protein content and low sugar levels, making it a huge favorite for those on a weight loss journey. It's much thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, which vastly adds to its satiety factor. Greek yogurt is also packed with probiotics, which are highly beneficial for your gut health. Including it in your diet can certainly help with your weight management and improve digestion. Enjoy it as a snack with some fruit and nuts, or use it as a base for smoothies. Number 7. Chicken breast, the lean protein source. Did you know chicken breast is a staple in many weight loss diets due to its high protein and low fat content? Lean protein like chicken can help you build muscle mass, which is really crucial for boosting your metabolism and burning more calories. It's also filling, which helps reduce overall calorie intake. Chicken breast can be grilled, baked, or stir-fried, making it a versatile protein source for any meal in tandem with Zepbound intake of yours. Moving on. Number 6. Quinoa, the fiber-rich seed. Quinoa is a gluten-free seed that has gained massive popularity as a superfood. It's high in fiber and protein, which are the two nutrients essential for weight loss. Quinoa helps you in maintaining a feeling of fullness and controlling appetite. It's also packed with essential amino acids and is a great source of iron and magnesium. Quinoa can be used as a base for salads, as a side dish, or in place of rice in many recipes. Number 5. Blueberries, the antioxidant-rich fruit. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're low in calories and high in fiber, making them ideal for weight loss diets. The antioxidants in blueberries can help fight inflammation and aid in overall health. They're a great addition to a healthy breakfast, can be eaten as a snack or added to smoothies and yogurt. And now moving to the premium 4 low-carb foods on our list. Number 4. Avocado, the healthy fat powerhouse. Yes, avocados are unique, loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which make them a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. Each avocado contains about 322 calories and 29.5 grams of fat, making them more fat than a fruit. These fats are the good kind, essential for heart health and known to quell hunger pangs effectively. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that eating half an avocado with lunch significantly reduced the desire to eat for hours afterward. Apart from aiding you in weight management, avocados can lower your cholesterol and may even target your belly fat, making them a highly versatile and beneficial food choice to keep with the Zepbound effective usage. Number 3. Broccoli, the fiber-rich vegetable. You might not know this. Broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrition, especially beneficial for weight loss due to its low calorie and high fiber content. This green vegetable is about 90% water, and a cup of cooked broccoli offers 5 grams of fiber. This composition makes it excellent for feeling full without adding significant calories. Dietary fiber in broccoli slows digestion and prevents spikes in blood sugar, thus highly aiding you in weight management. Number 2. Eggs, the protein-rich breakfast staple. Eggs are one of the few foods that truly deserve the title of superfood when it comes to weight loss. They are high in protein and fats, but low in carbs, making them an ideal choice for a low-carb diet. One large egg contains about 6.5 grams of protein and only 70 calories, which can really help you feel full for a longer period. This reduces the urge to snack and lowers your overall calorie intake. Number 1. Salmon, the omega-3 rich fish. Salmon is an excellent food for weight loss, extremely rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein. These nutrients play a significant role in reducing your body fat mass and increasing lean muscle. Eating protein-rich salmon can increase your metabolic rate and suppress hunger hormones like ghrelin, making you feel fuller for longer. This highly helps in reducing your overall calorie intake and managing weight effectively with the consumption of Zepbound or Wegovy. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are known for improving glycemic control and regulating blood sugar levels, thus further aiding in your weight management process. So, friends, we hope this info will help you achieve the optimal results on your weight loss efforts. And by the way, which of these foods is your favorite to consume for a healthy diet? Do tell a convenient recipe in the comments for other viewers to benefit. In case of any prior health issues, do not forget to ask your personal health consultant before making any substantial change to your diet. Subscribe now to Shape Squad, as we are to bring more and more critical stuff regarding your health and fitness. Press the thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. See you in our next super informative and useful video for you.